going to look at determining the circumference and area of circles. This is new this year in our 7th grade. In order to find circumference and area of circles, we need to know a little bit about circles to begin with. So first, we need to know what circumference is. So circumference is the distance around the circle. If you think back to elementary school, when we thought about the distance around figures, we were thinking kind of perimeter. Circumference is kind of a special perimeter because it's the distance around the circle. We just call it circumference. Next, we have area. Area, you'll remember, is the amount of space something covers on a 2D shape. So when we look at our circle, it's going to be everything inside. So all of this orange space is the area of our circle, and the circumference is the distance around that area. To find circumference and area, we need to know some things about our formulas. Circumference can be found with 2 pi r or pi d, and area can be found with pi r squared. But we have to know what the r and the d represent. When we think about circumference, a lot of times we'll use what we call the diameter. The diameter is the distance all the way across the circle through the center. And then the radius is halfway across that circle. So from the center to the outside is our radius, and it's half the distance. The formulas for finding circumference and area of circles do not need to be memorized. You'll have your reference materials, and you should always refer back to make sure that you've got the correct formula. They're found kind of in the center where we see circumference and area. And more specifically, we have our circle formula here and our area for a circle in the area section. Now we've got everything we need to get started on solving a problem.